Hi, it's Ronnie with Planty, and today I want to show you how you can scan in recipes from your cookbooks or magazines or even handwritten recipes right from the Planty app. So previously, you could scan in recipes into Planty using the native scanning features on your device, but we now have the option to take a photo of a recipe and get it into your Planty app right from the Add Recipe button. So we're going to tap the Add Recipe button at the bottom. We're going to choose the Take a Photo option. And then it's going to give us the option to either take a photo. So if you have your cookbook right in front of you, you can take a photo of the recipe that you're trying to import, or you can select from your photos. So if you snapped a picture at your grandma's house from her cookbook and it's just living in your phone, you can also select that photo. So I'm going to select from my photos. I'm going to pick my recipe photo, and it's going to automatically import this recipe for me and gather all of the information. Here it is. You can see it imported everything, including the correct serving size of the recipe, as well as all the ingredients and directions. All I need to do is go in and add some of the categories and other things. If I want to take a picture from the cookbook and put it in here, I can do that as well. And now it is right here in my Plan to Eat account so that I can put it on my meal planner and use it just like all of my other recipes in my Plan to Eat account. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at help@planty.com. I'm also going to link a help article in the description of this video if you need any more information about this feature. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.